Time now for a full look at the forecast. And Juan, with the slick roads, there's going to be a lot of folks on those roads carrying some precious cargo. They're going to need to take some extra precaution.
That's right. Give yourself a little bit of extra time to arrive to your destination this morning, folks, as it's still raining in parts of the coastal bend, and there could be some ponding out there as well with some of the heavy downpours that we had earlier this morning. Now, the National Weather Service here in Corpus Christi has gone ahead and issued a flash flood watch. It is already in effect, and it now includes Jim Hogg, Brooks, and Kennedy County, so the entire coastal bend now has a flash flood watch in effect until 1 p.m. on Thursday. Of course, this is going to go on for the next couple of days with some flooded streets. Remember, if that street is flooded that you happen to be traveling on, turn around, don't drown. That is going to be the word from the Weather Center over the next several days for us here. You just don't want to chance it, and you don't want to risk your car stalling out. And don't forget to download our free Storm Shield app. You can download it now on Google Play or the App Store. You can get weather alerts. You can get the radar map. If we are streaming live, we'll be streaming there as well. Right now, the Doppler radar does, look at that. It had a really strong line of showers and storms moving through, but we have a little bit of wraparound going up into the northeastern half of our counties right now, up in Beeville, up around Seton Refugio, and up around Rockport as well. Those are the locations still seeing some showers across the area, even a couple of little embedded storms too. Lots of lightning to go up as well, so you want to use caution as we keep mentioning. Storm reports have been minimal, but they've mainly been over in Jim Wells County, off into parts of Benavides and Duval County as well. We got reports of numerous power poles down near 665 around Alice, and wind damage to roofs across the area. This happened at about 1:49 this morning when the bulk of that energy pushed into the region. Luckily, we only had one tornado warning. We haven't had any reports of any tornado damage yet, but of course the National Weather Service needs to go out and survey some of the damage out there, and that's when we'll know for sure if any of it was tornadic related or twister related, or if not, just straight line winds. 12-hour rainfall amounts across the area. Since they were fast-moving storms, they didn't dump a ton of rainfall, but anywhere between just a couple of tenths of an inch of rain to some spotty areas receiving 1 to 2 inches. Officially out at Corpus Christi International, just shy of half an inch of rain being reported as of the midnight time frame. Nearly 6/10 of an inch out at the Naval Air Station, almost an inch over into the Alice area, 1200s in Falfurrias and Bevo. This has been bouncing up and down between an inch or so, so anywhere between a quarter of an inch up to half an inch of rain possible up around the B County area, southern Live Oak County as well. Peak wind gusts for today with some of the showers that went through about 40 miles an hour here in Corpus Christi, 48 miles an hour in Robstown, 53 miles an hour over in Alice, with those storms barreling through the region this morning. Future trackers showing the rainfall continuing to push offshore. As we go throughout the afternoon, I think we'll have a good amount of cloud coverage, but there will be some scattered showers across the region once again. We quiet down later on this evening, but as we go into early Wednesday morning, we'll start to re-moisten the atmosphere. The atmosphere is going to get primed, and by the time we go to the midday hour, we'll look at another round of some heavy showers across the region moving into the region. And again, some of this will be locally heavy, some of it could be severe as well, and we'll be tracking that for you. So don't put the umbrellas away just yet. Scattered thunderstorms for today, more numerous to likely as we go on into Wednesday. Again, flash flooding potential is going to be there. We taper it off on Thursday and Friday, but over the weekend, more scattered showers and storms are back into the